Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a verify account on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve verify account on Pinterest app, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest and you will enter. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.